Hakakan tabu jengkeli mantakasi hapo yang doa bawa tawa jong kejela. Kau ini jengkeli kabla bu kadai hakadi halo kajeng yap kelam jok senyang ya kabalon rak du emil jong kamahoti ubak Charles Marngar. Bala keli nak sokar kadon kajeng sebai luksan. Ini ka compensation dak matai tu kisnyang ke bala sami dak sarkar nrei ke bala yap do apa dien. Nakaliang jong ba hek ubala Menteri Jakatan Animal Husbandry and Veterinary ulang ba kamna setia kalau kajeng sebai luksan nrei kadon tangka insurance. Kabalong saw hajar tengka uwe usniang. Hakan ni kajing abu jengkeli, abu ba hek oleh tu ba amnan setaki jaka sumar ya Mrad. Nakaliang jong ba Ronnie feeling do balong u Emily jong kemelia ba ka jong poru unelam jaka liang persya ulah yang ban ong. Ba hek Ïajan bat be de pelok ba bat u menteri rang ba du gari India unan ramudi. Balei Phim Pisa no na u menteri rang ba du jong gari mantau yo ka hospital haga jalla. Nakaliang jong bahak amcim jubak belokan ni lo syuang baka sokal ke sasimkia ada hadir pat layang umatri rang bak kajela ukon dak sangma ubra pensyai balengba ka PM Divine ini tak skim do Prime Minister kari India ka sokal jela kala tho bakala pan bisa live folklore tengka tak kebendaman Shna ya hospital lapo upar Shillong.
Honorable Speaker, sir, reply to the staff question number 31. So there is no compensation to the beneficiaries under the piggery missions.
Balei, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, actually I expect that the reply will be yes, but the reply is no. Anyway, I have some supplementary question. And number one is, I know from the Honorable Minister, any vaccination available against ASF? That is number one. And number two is, after getting the loan, how many months, year that the farmer has to repay the loans? That is number two. And number three is, may I know from the Honorable Minister, the total number of pigs died and also the total number of piggery mission society in the state due to African swine flu or swine fever.
So there is no such of the African swine flu, but there is African swine fever.
Yes.
So the question number one is the vaccination. Vaccination is available, sir. Number two, about the deaths of the pigs. I'd just like to in the East Khasiels, number 9, Riboy District 760, West Garo Hill District 149, West Khasiels 48, South Garo Hill 7, and Eastern and Western Khasiels is 1. And about the third question you have asked.
Loan.
Yeah.
About the loan.
The loan repay is just in the 8 years to repay the loans.
Okay, thank you so much for the reply. Mr. Speaker, sir, now I know from the Honorable Minister, what is the problem that the department or the government cannot give compensation to the piggery farmers?
So this is, they have the component of insurance in the scheme, sir. So they don't have any compensations.
Okay. Sir, as per my information, many farmers had lost their pigs. And one piggery mission in my constituency, that is nearby my village only, Nongka village, informed me that about 90 number of pigs died. It's really a great loss to the farmers. And they keep asking me from where we will get the money to repay the loans. Will the department, may I know from the Honorable Minister, will the department will consider to give some compensation to the farmers? May I know from the Honorable Minister?
So the suggestions of the honorable member is noted, but that
I'm asking, it's not my suggestion, I'm asking, will the department have any intention to give compensation to the farmers, piggery farmers?
So we have already noted down, but only we have the components of the insurance, no compensation at present, that we already replied, sir.
One more, sir. As I have said, that it's really a great loss to our farmers, piggery farmers. I have one suggestion from my side, sir. I request the government of the day to kindly take any steps. If not in full amount, at least something is better than nothing, so that a farmer, piggery farmer, will restart the piggery farming in the state. This is my suggestion to the concerned department and to the honorable ministers.
So the insurance is about 4,000 rupees per pig, sir. If that farmers has lost 90 pigs, sir, they can claim the insurance, sir. It just give it 4,000 per pig, sir.
But the problem, sir, the problem that we have, see, sir, I got the information that many piggery farmers, many of them has no information for that. They don't know about all the information, especially for the insurance, that they have to, bring the pigs for the post-mortem and all. I got the information because in my constituency also, especially in Riboha district, many piggery farmers has got no information for that. So may I request the Honorable Minister in charge to kindly take it seriously so that all the farmers, piggery farmers, will get all the information.
So while they avail the loans, all the information has been given to all those who have already applied for the loans, sir. Those who have already availed the loans, sir. But whatever suggestion given by the Honorable MLA, which has been noted down, sir, to get the information to all the farmers, sir. Okay.
Yes, but
Sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister whether the amount of 4,000 insured for pigs is irrespective of sizes of pigs?
This is 4,000 per pig, sir, for any size of the pig, sir.
I'll just supplement on what the Honorable Minister has already mentioned. That, sir, the piggery mission, as you know, was something that we have done where the cooperative societies were brought out, and through these cooperative societies we gave loans. But apart from this, there are many other programs that the veterinary department is doing where distribution of piglets are also happening through other programs which are funded by the state government and some funds from the central government. So therefore it's a mix of many programs going on. So we try to compensate and help farmers in different ways. So yes, while this program has certain guidelines, because these are guidelines given by center and we have to follow those, we try our best to also compensate and distribute piglets and other forms of animals for the farmers, and piglets are also being distributed. So just for the knowledge of the honorable member, that while there are certain laws and rules and mechanisms with which we have to follow, but other forms of support are also being given, and distribution of piglets are also being done in addition to other supports.
yes, Ronnie, please.
So that's why we've been insisting that, we have to set up veterinary hospitals in almost all the districts. Otherwise, the investment will not yield the benefit that is intended, sir. I don't know what is the component of the loan that was taken by the government. And now if numbers of pigs die, then the very purpose of supporting the farmers is defeated. That's why I request upon the government and the minister, sir, to set up veterinary hospitals so that, we can take preventive measures and ensure that it is not repeated. You see, now we've seen cattle farmers. Most of them have lost their cattle. Now, the same thing with the piggery mission. So, sir, all these missions will not yield the benefits if, steps are not taken to prevent such occurrence of these, deaths of all these animals, these livestock. So, I request upon the minister, since he belongs to the BJP also, and he's very close to the Prime Minister, to impress upon the Prime Minister to, sanction loans to set up veterinary hospitals in almost all the districts, sir. He's a very senior BJP member, so I'm sure with one word to Prime Minister Ji, he'll get things done.
Is it a suggestion or a question?
Pardon, sir?
Is it a question or a suggestion?
No, the question is, sir, when will the hospitals be set up, at least in the districts? For example, I've seen in my Upper Shillong area, sir, all the cattle farmers have lost their cattle. And now they've gone back to labor, sir. I mean, working as labor, because if they had 9-10 cattle, all of them died. So we can prevent this and ensure that, we ensure that our farmer prospers and whatever activities they done, it is upskill. Otherwise, the very purpose is defeated, sir. If you just only get loan, give it to them, and then there is no follow-up, then the very purpose is defeated. So I request upon the minister to ensure, I know last time also we had asked about hospitals to be set up. So, sir, if this can be expedited, I would request the Chief Minister too, sir, to take this seriously, sir. Thank you.
You wish to reply? Yeah.
Sir, the question is not relevant with the main questions. But anyway, the hospital is very important. That's coming soon, sir, to start the hospital in not in all the district, at least the state hospitals, sir.
Sir, I'm very surprised the minister saying the question is not relevant. If I fall sick, sir, what do? I go to the hospital. So similarly, if the cattle, the pigs fall sick, they have to get treatment. Sir, I don't know if it is not relevant, then what are we here then, sir?
So the main question is for the compensation, sir.
Yes, Pacha.
I have a question, sir. May I know from the Honorable Minister, when was the State Animal Welfare Board, referring to animals, constituted? When was it constituted?
Sir, at present I don't have information with me. I require notice, sir.
Then when was the last meeting called of the State Welfare Animal Board, sir?
That also I require notice.
So this is very important, sir. Why I'm saying these can be linked. The Ministry of Animal Welfare has declared that every state must have a State Animal Welfare Board. And the board is chaired by the Honorable Minister himself of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary. So this has to be taken very seriously, and a meeting should be called so that all these things can be also discussed and linked. Thereby, we provide more services and information through the board also for the benefit of the farmers. So they don't have to suffer the losses they are going through now. So I would request the Honorable Minister to immediately call a meeting of the board and discuss this over the table, sir.
Yes, sir. Noted, sir, Honorable Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I'd just like to take this opportunity because this matter has been brought out a couple of times in the House. Of course, the Honorable Minister and the department has already sent a proposal for the veterinary hospital to be put up in Upper Shillong for the state headquarters. And I'm happy to inform the House also that after the proposal came from the veterinary department, an Honorable Minister has already spoken to me. I'm happy to inform the House that we have already sent it under PM Divine to be sanctioned. So your point of following up with Honorable Prime Minister also is actually quite appropriate. So I thought maybe you knew it and that's why you were mentioning it also. But under PM Divine, we have proposed for the state hospital, veterinary hospitals. 30 crores has been proposed.
So I'd like to place on record my gratitude to the Chief Minister and the Honorable Minister, sir, for this.
So, okay. Pandit Rollindo, please.
Minister in charge. This Piglet, it's a local, Piglet was distributed all over the state May I know from the minister, this this piglet is being supplied or distributed by the local entrepreneur or bringing from outside?
Sir, this is not relevant with the main question, sir.
No, because we have seen so many piglet have been dying, while because those rearing farmers of piglet, they find very difficult because it's because of the climate or the weather. We don't know. That's why I want to know from the minister in charge whether it's a local breed or bringing from outside.
So presently, the local piglets which are distributed, it is coming from outside, sir.
So we want,
So there are many local entrepreneurs rearing
Last question.
of piglet. So why not government find out the way to buy from them? At least they can get the job or find a way out how to the livelihood of our rearing of our piglet, because so many farmers in my area, also in my constituency or in East Kasil, they are doing this kind of job. It will help a livelihood of our farmers. If you can see into this, I think it will be nice or it will be helpful for our farmers in the state.
Yes, Honorable Speaker, sir.